Hi, I'm Kris Oldland, Editor-in-Chief of Field Service News. Today I'm pleased to bring you another excerpt from my recent interview with Jo Cherriman, Director for Surefire, a company who provide fire engineering services and solutions across the UK on a nationwide basis. In the interview we looked at a number of different areas of their recent selection and implementation of Tesseract, which is a field service management solution provided by Solvi. In this part of the interview, Jo and I discuss how actually there's been customer benefits as well as the business benefits of that implementation. Okay, and I assume, as you've kind of outlined there have been a number of benefits that you, as the business, have felt. How about your customers? What's been the impact on customer satisfaction, customer experience, and that? How are your customers benefiting from implementing the solution?
Yeah, so in customer delivery, customer satisfaction is so important to Surefire.
Yeah.
We do pride ourselves on that, actually. So what we decided was that everything should go into that CRM system. So if a customer did phone you up and they were talking about a quotation that you may have done previously, then we'd be able to see it instantly. The history was there. You just had to click on a few buttons and you'd see the full history of that customer. And also from an engineering point of view, going back to customer site, you'd be able to then, if they wanted to, they'd phone the office up and say, well, can you send me the previous service report sheet? So again, they've also got history on the field, on the site, which helps them do their job better as well.
Well, yeah, I mean, there are a couple of unique things about field service engineers that tend to be service engineers. They like to fix problems. They like to be the guys that they like to be the guys that particularly can go in and be the hero in a sense. There is a little bit of that theatre there for them, and I suppose being able to empower your engineers with that little bit of extra information probably makes their working life a lot happier, because they're not walking in blind. They don't know. They know if there's been any previous challenges. They know what solutions are implemented. So you're probably seeing improvements in terms of their efficiencies and their output, but also I guess it probably makes their lives that much easier because they understand the customer elements a little bit more as well. Is that something that you take back from the engineers?
Yeah. I mean, it's great for them because sometimes we try and keep it to the same engineer visiting the same site, but occasionally if you have a call out and another engineer is the nearest engineer, then for availability purposes they would have to go and visit. So of course, if you've got all the information already on the CRM system, then they've got that sort of knowledge at their fingertips, really.
And that brings us to the end of this particular excerpt from the interview. Now, fieldservicenews.com subscribers have already been given access to the full interview that I did with Jo. If you would like to be a fieldservicenews.com subscriber, the good news is subscription is complimentary for those of you that work in field service management. All you need to do is apply for your subscription on the link below. Use the link below and you'll get access to the full interview between myself and Jo, sent to you straight away as we process your application. But for now, thanks ever so much for taking the time to watch. My name is Kris Oldland, I'm the Editor-in-Chief of Field Service News, and we'll see you again soon. Take care.